Is your sofa looking plain and uninspiring? With just a few simple, budget-friendly tweaks, you can transform it into the stylish centerpiece of your living room. In this video, I'll show you how to style your sofa beautifully without overspending. Whether your style is cozy, modern, or minimal, these tips will instantly refresh your space and make your sofa look designer-worthy. Simple definition: sofa styling means enhancing the look and comfort of your sofa using affordable accessories like cushions, throws, covers, and small decorative pieces to create a polished and inviting look. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with a clean base by vacuuming and, if needed, adding a slipcover to refresh the sofa's appearance. Step 2. Layer cushions in different sizes and textures, arranging them symmetrically or asymmetrically depending on your style. Step 3. Add a throw blanket draped over one side or neatly folded in the center to bring warmth and softness. Step 4. Use a small accent table or tray beside or on the sofa to balance function and style. Step 5. Finish with a statement piece such as a decorative pillow, a small plant, or a budget-friendly wall frame above the sofa. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like cushion sets, a lightweight throw blanket, a slipcover if your sofa looks worn, and a small tray or side table for balance. Most of these can be found in affordable home stores or online. Quick tips: mix textures like cotton, velvet, or knit for a layered effect. Stick to 2 or 3 colors to avoid clutter. Washable covers and throws are always better for maintenance. Cost comparison: professional interior styling could cost anywhere from $150 to $500. But by using affordable items like slipcovers starting at $20, cushion sets around $15 to $30, and throws for $10 to $25, you can achieve the same polished effect at less than 1/3 of the cost. Mini workflow: choose a color scheme, clean the sofa, add slipcover, arrange cushions, place a throw, style with a tray or side table, and finish with one bold accent piece. Professional notes: consistency in design is key. If your room has a neutral palette, keep your sofa accessories within the same tone. If you want a vibrant pop, introduce it through 1 or 2 statement pillows instead of multiple clashing patterns. We started with a clean base, layered cushions, added texture with throws, balanced with side accents, and finished with a standout detail. These small steps bring big impact, and the best part is they're all budget-friendly. If you found these tips useful, subscribe for more home styling guides, share this with a friend who loves decorating, and let me know in the comments which sofa styling idea you'll try first.